a year ago that New Yorkers first beheld the silvery spectacle of Germany's luxury airliner Hindenburg soaring majestically past Manhattan skyline, having spanned the North Atlantic in a record-shattering time of 61.5 hours from its hangar at Friedrichshafen to its American port of call at Lakehurst, New Jersey. The greatest lighter-than aircraft ever built nears the completion of her 21st Atlantic crossing, her first of this year. Encountering storms and headwinds during this ill-fated voyage, the giant dirigible noses toward the Lakehurst mooring mast today, having just ridden out a brief electrical disturbance, and now that the wind has subsided, she releases ballast, preliminary to easing her vast hulk into the hands of the Navy's ground crew, awaiting the landing lines by which she is gently drawn to earth. Her 50 passengers impatient, eager to arrive at a journey's end. Scarcely 300 feet above the ground now, portholes open, landing lines are...
It's starting to rain again. The rain has cracked up a little bit. The back motors of the ship are just holding it just enough to keep it from... The first of the plane, get it started. It's right, and it's right, terrible. Oh, my, get out of the way, please. It's bursting into flames, and it's falling on the morning fast, and all the folks with me that this is terrible. This is one of the worst catastrophes in the world. It's like 400 or 500 feet into the sky, and it's a terrific crash, ladies and gentlemen. It's smoke and it's flames now, and the frame is crashing to the ground, not quite to the mooring mast. All the humanity and all the passengers screaming around it. I told you, I can't talk to people. There's fish around there. I can't talk, ladies and gentlemen. Honest, it's just laying down massive smoking wreckage. And everybody can hardly breathe and talk and screaming. Lady, I'm sorry. Honestly, I can hardly breathe. I'm going to step inside while I cannot see it. Charlie, that's terrible. Listen, folks, I'm going to have to stop for a minute because I've lost the voice. This is the worst thing I've ever witnessed.